Hi Taurus, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today, that is 16th of March to the 25th of March. I am going to look at the tarot from the next 10-day period. I have already taken your tarot out, clarified it, divinated upon it, understood what is going to come to you. I will tell you about these energies, but before I read out your tarot, I am going to read out a card from the Angels of Abundance deck. It has got a message printed on you. It is saying, visualize abundance in all forms. God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings, and that is what you will experience. So you have right now, actually in your tarot also I am seeing the Magician again and again. So visualizing is important for you right now. Manifesting the visualized dreams is important for you, and the same message is coming from the Angels of Abundance. Visualize abundance in all form. So the cards which are important for you, I'm going to talk about it. The first energy which fell for you was the Magician. Like I said, Magician is manifester. Magician is someone who has all the resources on his table. This person, his or her, whoever, the Magician energy is embodied by you Taurians right now. This is the energy which you are coming in with, and with it there are 3 major arcana cards which are connected on top of it. They cross these cards, this card of the Magician. So it's very important because things are going to change. Something is going to happen in your life which is going to be significant at this moment. So what is going to happen? There will be, with Magician, the Hermit; with Magician, the lovers; with Magician, the World. So 4 major arcana cards are here, which is showing that you will be going through a transformation. The transformation will be brought out by you because you will be taking your objective goals in mind. You will be having the wherewithal, the talent, and the willpower to change your realities. So you will be in total control. That is what I see. A major decision will be taken by you. Major decision will be taken, and regarding your love life for most of you, or regarding your job, or something you are deeply connected to, regarding a partnership, you will take a decision. The Hermit card is saying that this is the older form of Magician. At one point of time, the Hermit was a magician, so it has grown older and wiser. So you will be in a wise mode right now. You will take a wise decision in your life with the magician with you. So the action will be taken with inner shining of the light, and wisdom will take place. So wisdom, an action will be taken with wisdom. That is what I see. The decision will be very, very important regarding your love life or your career, and this will change your situation totally. This will change your past. From past to the present, the situation will be totally different. Something will be some door will be closed, some door will be closed, a new door will be opened for you. You will take a liberated step towards a new world, new beginning in your life. Some mission will be accomplished by you. So for some of you this means a transfer. For some of you it means change of country or location. For some of you this means getting into a situation of relationship from singlehood to a couple relationship, a marriage taking place, or engagement. For some of you it is a big decision to go back to family. For some of you it is to make a big decision to go away from family. So whatever it is, there is going to be a major decision which is going to take place for you, my dear Taurians. So a travel is on the card. Travel is on the cards for definitely enjoying of your power is there. Isolation and solitude will be there. Some partnership is going to see a change. That is what I see. So big changes coming in. But whatever the changes, the minor arcana card here is telling me that in simple terms, you will be getting out of a troubled situation. You will be salvaging your life. You will be salvaging yourself out of a troubled and disturbing situation, going towards a calmer, better situation. A travel will take place, sorting of issues will take place, and you will extricate yourself from a problematic environment, and you will go towards a conducive environment, whether in love or in relationship. You can apply it in your life, so take it as it resonates. So what is happening in your career? In your career, big thing is going to happen. You are going to see the wheel of fortune and the magician again. So the magician energy is coming in your career. So career, you will see something happening for you. You will be giving fruition to something. Opportunities will come in. Karma will bring in. Your karma will bring in new opportunities which are good. Good fortune coming in, opportunities coming in. You will be able to harness this energy. You will have to keep your mind open. Things which you had dreamt of, things which you had visualized. So the visualization of abundance is important, because at this time your action, your thinking is activated, your communication skills are activated, your expression is activated, your mercury is activated. So both the cards will bring in a fortunate moment for you in your career. A big change is going to happen with your own work, with your own objective thinking, and a power of execution. That is what I see. Things are going to go towards restoration, action oriented steps will be taken, growth will take place, immediate work will come, lot of work will come. You will exchange lot of information, travels and tours will take place, new opportunity is coming to you, something you will work on, which will be recognized and seen by people. This will be for your future, this will be for your future stability. Today you will be learning something new, and tomorrow it will give you lot of financial security. So some new course, some new work, something you will learn. So for some of you, it is a chance to get an apprenticeship in a prestigious organization. For some of you, it is a new posting, new work. For some of you, a new job. For some of you, self-employment, and with lot of growth opportunity and opportunity to showcase your work. So great situation in career is coming in for you, Taurians. Good news for you. But regarding your love life, I am seeing that the Emperor is reversed. So this could be your energy. You are totally against stability right now. You are wanting to rebel against establishment. So whatever is your love relation, if you are married, if you have a lover, if you have a strong relationship with someone, if you have a marriage situation, whatever it is, or in your family, you will be rebelling. You will go against the structure, you will go against the father figure, you will go against the husband, you will go against that male, the patriarchy. That is what I see. So the patriarchy will be defeated, or people of the male of this group, the Taurians, you will be going against fathers, you will be going against the family structure. So something is, the females are going against the spouse, the father, the overbearing, dominating characters in the household or in relationship. Same is going to happen with the men. So identify that character. So you will be taking up the energy of reverse Emperor, that is going against the established rule structure of society. So you will not give in to pressure. I am seeing that you will depend on yourself, you will depend on something, on your substantial money, on your income, on your own self. That is what I see. So you will be understanding the situation, and you will be taking steps against it. You will not give in to people who are emotionally blackmailing you. Definitely not giving in. You will be in your very ruthless. You will be very ruthless, and you will be trying to some of you are very in sadness. You are in sadness, and you are taking this extreme step because you are fed up with a relationship. That is what I see. I am seeing that some of you will be walking out of this relationship. Some of you will be quitting this. You will understand that this relationship, despite having a big value in your life, has no relevance right now. So you will be looking for your higher goal. Some of you will be taking a travel. Some of you will be taking a break and getting away from this. So you will be moving on. You will be in your single state. That is what I see. You will love to be single and solitary. You will enjoy your comforts. You will enjoy your hard-earned money. You will be happy with your own abundance. You don't require a person right now because you are off them. You are off them. That is what I see. As you go forward, I see lot of struggles coming in your love life. There will be a struggle, but you will be on the higher ground. You will be able to stand up for yourself, and you will be able to take up all the challenges that are coming in. So after this, I am seeing that a new love situation will emerge. A new love situation will emerge because of your action. Because of your action, a new love situation, new romance or offering of new love will come in. A new beginning will happen for you in your relationship sector. That is what I am seeing. So lot of struggle, rebellion, going against structure will fetch you, and being single will help you to move on from a certain relationship, and a new relationship will be formed for you. So that is what I see. If you are happily married, then I see some problems happening for some time, and you will be in that kind of turmoil. But whatever it is, the general energy is saying that you will be able to come out of any problem, because I see the upgradation of love happening. If you are in an existing relationship, love cup will be offered to you, apology will be offered to you, you will accept it, and things will go on. So struggle will be there, challenge will be there, but you will be able to get to a better situation. For people who are breaking off, for people who are moving on, for them a new situation is going to develop. That is what I see. So whatever it is, ultimately your time is good right now, Taurians. So whatever decision you are taking it yourself. So it depends on you whether you are in sadness or happiness. That is what I see, because you have got the magician's power. You have got the power to make things work for you. So outcome is you will be having lot of power at this moment. You will be exercising power in career, exercising power in love life. So relationships will be controlled by you. You will take your power back. You will be a balanced individual, who is the earth king. It is your sign, Taurians. You are going to be the earth king. You are going to have power, influence, balance. You are going to attract good proposals. You are going to attract good money. That is what I see. So very good outcome for you as well. Angels are just telling you, don't be over anxious. Angels are telling you not to wallow in sadness. Whatever has happened in the past has happened. Don't give in to anxiety. Don't give in to too much worry, because it is not going to help you. Your time is good right now, and you'll be able to get out of problematic situations. That is what I see. So all the best for that. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you want a personal reading from me, I give face-to-face readings. So you can leave in a comment in the comment box requesting that. If you want one, I will tell you how to book my readings. And if you have really resonated with this, please do write a comment in the comment box so that I have a feedback. And please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.